In 60 plus series for CAIIB. In this series we are covering all the important points which are required to cover 60 plus marks in ABM and BFM. Okay, so the paper is on just now, Sunday, right? So focus on this completely. Today we will be solving ratio analysis case studies. Simple case studies, smaller case studies which are used, which come in exam. Okay, but they count a lot. Okay, so without wasting, let's start. See this. Download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study material, current affairs, job alert, daily quizzes. Means you name it, you have it. What do we require for CIB basically? We require notes, we require live lectures, and we require tests. So that's it. That can be done immediately over here, isn't it? So download this first. Also, or subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting all the updates for CAIIB, JAIIB and various banking exams. Okay, these are the two batches which are coming up, BFM and retail. November 28th means starting on Monday, and retail December 5th starting. Okay, so join these batches ASAP. More on this later. I'll come to this. I'll give you the details of this batch. Okay, so what's the schedule for today's class? Schedule is ratio analysis. Cases will be solving case study and objective questions. Okay, so I'll explain you also the terms what are required over here. So let's start. Yeah, first is determine the debtors turnover ratio. If closing debtors is 40,000, cash sales is 30,000, that is means cash sales equals to 30,000 is 25% of the total sales, and excess of closing debtors over opening debtors is 20,000. Okay, firstly everyone type in the comment section what is debtors turnover ratio formula. Everyone, debtors turnover ratio, okay, what is the formula for that? So debtors turnover ratio is, everyone fast. Yeah, what is debtors turnover ratio formula? Everyone, yeah, credit sales, write it fast. Credit sales, yes, sales upon divided by, what is upon? This is important. Average debtors, right? Now how to find these two figures? Credit sales. Okay, how to find the credit sales over here? What is given over here? Closing debtors is this, cash sales is given as 30,000, and that is what 25% of the total sales. Now how do you get this credit sales then? See this, let me come to this. What is total sales? See this, it's like this. Sales equals to, I'll write it TS equals to, total sales equals to cash sales, cash plus credit, right? Whenever you do any business, you'll do either cash or you'll do either credit, right? Now what is given? Suppose if that is 25%, what is this? Cash sales is 25% of the total business. Okay, so if I am selling this cash sales, okay, that is rupees 25. Okay, so what should be my total sales? Because cash sales is 25% of the total sales, so my total sales should be 100 over here. So out of 100, I am selling 25 rupees in cash. But what is the remaining then? 75 rupees I am selling it in credit. So now out of 100 rupees, 25 rupees in cash and 75 rupees in credit, right? So now if what is given 30,000 is the cash sale. So if 25 is cash, 75 is credit. So if 30,000 is cash, 30,000 is cash, what will be credit then? Tell me fast. What will be credit? Type in the comment section. Fast. It is 30,000 into 75, direct proportion. 30,000 into 75 upon 25. So what is the answer? Everyone, fast in the comment section. Yes, fast. Here, I'm not seeing the answers. Yeah. Now you guys are typing 90,000. Okay. So 90,000 is my credit sale. So now I got the numerator part. What is the denominator part? Average debtors. What is average debtors? Average debtors means opening plus closing, opening debtors plus closing. I'll just write opening and closing. Opening plus closing upon 2. But what is given over here? Opening and closing. Closing is given as 40,000. But what is the next part given? excess of closing debtors over opening debtors is 20,000. Means what? Excess of closing over opening is 20. So this 40 equals to opening, that is 40 is closing, right? Opening plus 20,000, because that is in excess, right? So opening becomes what? 20,000, right? 20,000. So now I got it. I got both the figures, credit sales also and average debtors also. What is my DTR now? Therefore DTR equals to, who can give me the figure now? It's very easy. DTR equals to 90,000, correct, upon, what is the opening sales, right? This is 90 upon average debtors. So opening is 20 and closing is 40. Okay, so average is remaining over here. Average equals to 40 plus 20, opening plus closing upon 2, right? 20 plus 40 upon 2 or 20 plus 40 upon 2. Okay, 20 upon 2, right? So what is it? 60 upon 2, 30. So what is my DTR? 30,000. And average debtors 30,000, right? So what is my DTR now? DTR is this 90,000 upon average debtors. So that is what answer is. What is the answer? A, B, C or D? Correct. Answer is 3A. Okay, this is my answer. A. Got it, everyone? Okay, type yes if you have understood this. Everyone type yes if you have understood this fast. Understood? Type yes so that I can move ahead. Okay? Okay, like this video first. Everyone kindly like this video. Okay? Like it, share it with share it with your friends. Okay? Now let's move on. Liquid assets is determined by what? What is liquid asset basically? Liquid asset is a part of current asset. Always remember. So what do we include in current and what do we include in liquid? See this, in current assets, current, I'll write it CA only. Huh? Current asset equals to, there are 4 parts always: cash, debtors, inventory, and next one is prepaid expenses. Next one is prepaid. Okay, these are all in current assets. Prepaid expenses, these are all in current assets, right? So what is the part of liquid assets then? Liquid assets is only, yeah, who can give me? Okay, why should I answer? Who can give me? In liquid assets, what do we have? Type in the comment section, what do we have in liquid assets? Yes, out of these 4, what do we have in liquid assets? Correct. Got it? It is only cash and debtors. So these 2 form a part of liquid assets. So now if I want liquid assets from current assets, what should I subtract? So liquid equals to current assets minus, what do I do? This one and this one, right? So what do I get it from here? Liquid assets equals to current assets minus what? Inventory minus prepaid. So what is the answer now? Type fast in the comment section. What is the answer? Plus or minus? A or B? Which one is the answer? A or B? A or B? Fast. It is correct. A. Right? Current assets minus stock minus prepaid expenses. Got it? If sales is rupees 10 lakh, sales return is 50,000. Profit before tax is 2 lakh. Income tax is 40%. Then the net profit ratio is? What is net profit? Okay. Something difficult, isn't it? Firstly, tell me what is net profit ratio? NP ratio. NP, I'll write it. NP ratio equals to what? Net profit upon net sales. Net sales, okay? Net profit upon net sales, okay? What is net profit ratio? Net profit upon net sales. Remember, what is net sales now? Who can give me the figure for net sales and what do you mean by net sales? Okay? Okay, I'll explain this one by one. So remember, what is, firstly let's get net profit. Net profit equals to, net profit is always net profit after tax. We call this net profit, means net profit after tax. So what is given? Net profit before tax is 2 lakh and income tax is 40%. So my net profit after tax will be NPBT, I'll call it. Okay, NPBT means this 2 lakh, right? minus tax, right? So what is the tax figure but? 40% of 2 lakh. So what is 40% of 2 lakh? Everyone type fast. 40% of 2 lakh is, everyone, 40% of 2 lakh, right? It is 80k, 80,000, right? So now what is my NPAT then? 2 lakh minus 80k, right? So what is the answer now? 2 lakh minus 80k. What is the answer? 1,20,000, 120,000, right? This is my NPAT. Everyone got this? Got this figure? Everyone? 1,20,000. Has everyone received, got this figure of 1,20,000 NPAT? Right? Now give me the figure for net sales. Net sales is what? Net sales, right? So that is what? Net sales equals to, yes, give me, yeah. Sales minus sales return, okay? So what is sales minus sales return? So what is the figure? Sales is what? 10 lakh and return is what? 50,000. So what do I get? Net sales. Net sales is, give me the figure. Yes, it is 9,50,000, correct? So this is my net sales figure. Now if I've got this as my net sales figure, so what is this NP ratio? This into 100 you have to do. Of course, here any ratio you have to multiply by 100 because we want in percentage. So what is my NP ratio now? NPR equals to, I'll write just NPR, okay? So that's equals to 120 upon 9,50,000 into 100. So what is the answer? What is the answer for this? It is roughly what? 12 point something, isn't it? Kindly do it. Give me in the comment section what is the answer. Everyone, what is the answer for this? 120 upon 120 upon 9,50,000. So it is roughly, you will get it as 12.6, okay? So that is the answer. A is the correct answer over here. Got it, everyone? Everyone has got this answer, 12.63%. Got this answer, 12.63%. Shall we move on? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood this. Type yes, fast, yes. Type yes in the comment section, okay? Okay. Higher the ratio, more favorable it is. It does not stand true for. Now what is this? See here. Which of these ratios, if it goes higher, it is bad for the customer or for the businessman? Which ratio, if it goes up, it's bad for the customer, okay? So I'll give you the formula now, okay? Firstly, give me the formula for operating ratio, everyone. What is operating ratio? Everyone, type fast in the comment section. Operating, right? Should I write only operating now? Operating, what is this? Operating cost or expenses we call it. Operating expenses upon net sales, okay? Net sales or total sales also you can take it. Operating cost upon net sales, okay? What is the formula for liquid ratio? Call this liquid only. Liquid ratio is, what is the formula for liquid ratio? It is, fast in the comment section. What is the formula for liquid ratio? I'll write it fast. Write it in the comment section. Liquid assets upon current liabilities, okay? Net profit ratio. What is the net profit ratio? Just now we did it. What is the net profit ratio? Comment section, everyone. Net profit ratio. I wanted an answer from everyone in the comment section. Yes. Net profit upon net sales, right? Net, I'll write this net sales because you won't understand otherwise. NPV understand generally, isn't it? Net profit. But NS we won't understand. What is stock turnover ratio? That is inventory turnover ratio. What is inventory turnover ratio? This is something different. I have taken this in the ratio analysis, okay? So what is the stock turnover ratio? It is cost of goods sold, COGS, I'll write it. Cost of goods sold upon average inventory, okay? This is same as that of the debtor turnover ratio, okay? Now tell me, you have this formula over here. So now, in this, which ratio if it goes high, it is bad for the customer? Who can give me the answer? A, B, C or D. Which ratio if it goes high, it is bad for the customer? It does not stand true, okay? Higher the ratio, more favorable it is. It does not stand true for. So that is A, operating ratio, right? Means what? If operating ratio is high, means what happens? Operating cost goes up. So cost going up, is it good for the customer? No. So that's why operating ratio, if it is higher, it is bad for the customer. Okay, got it everyone? Okay. Given the sales is 1,20,000 and gross profit is 30,000, then the gross profit ratio is, now this is simple one, isn't it? Gross sales is given as 120 and gross profit is given as 30,000. Simple one. Who can give me the figure? Immediately over here. What is GP ratio? Type in the comment section. What is GP ratio? GP ratio equals to, yeah, what is GP ratio? Same as NP ratio. So fast. Yes, it is GP, gross profit upon sales, net sales actually. But if you don't have net sales, take only sales. So what is GP now? Into 100. Of course, everything is into 100. Into 100. So now GP is what? 30,000. I'll just write 30 upon 120, right? Into 100. Simple, isn't it? So answer is, what is the answer over here? A, B, C or D? Fast, 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 fast. Yes. Let me see the answer. You should be fast in your calculations over here, because now exam is just now. Just one day ahead, right? So it is B, 25%. Got it everyone? Move on. Next. Okay. If the selling price is fixed at 25% above the cost, then the gross profit ratio is, okay, if the selling price is fixed 25% above the cost, then the gross profit ratio, now this is what? This is a logical question. So what is it given? Okay. How do we decide a selling price? Anytime. Cost price plus profit, right? That is equal to selling price. That is the basic rule of any business, right? Cost price plus profit equals to selling price. So what is given? Selling price is fixed at 25% above the cost price. So if my cost price is 100, I have taken the profit of 25 and my selling price is 125. Okay. So my gross profit ratio is, so what is my gross profit ratio? How do I get it? Gross profit ratio, right? GPR equals to, again the same formula, GP upon what is this? Selling price, right? Gross profit upon sales, right? I'll write it sales over here. So what is sales? It is, take whatever figures are given to you. What is GP? 25 profit upon sales 125, right? Into 100. So that's equals to, what is the answer now? Answer is A, B, C or D. Which one fast from your side? Very simple. 1 are 5 are, right? 1 are 5 are. So 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 is what? 5 1s are 5 20s are, isn't it? So the answer is, everyone, 20%, right? So these were the simple cases or the one-liner cases which will come to you, which may come to you in exam. And importantly, if such cases come to you, these cases cause a huge time difference for you. Okay, so don't get caught caught in means some difficult ones. Okay, you'll get the simple ones also. Follow these case studies. Also, they'll be useful for you in the exam. Like this video, share it in the comment section. Okay, share with your friends. Write the comments if you have understood it. Click the bell icon on this. So firstly, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. Now I'll tell you what is this 80% off going on. Say this. The batch which I told you about, that new batch coming up. Okay, what was that new batch? BFM and retail, right? Starting from Monday, right? So that batch which is coming up, you are having 80% off on that. Avail this immediately. Let's go to Adda 24/7. I'll show you how to avail it. Go to Adda 24/7, click on JAIIB and CAIIB. Once you click there, you'll see this November December English batch. Click on this. In this, you'll see all the batches now. Okay. So which batch is coming up? BFM. I'll show you about BFM. Okay. There are two main batches, BFM and retail. Okay. Because ABM has already got to the end now. Okay, so click on this BFM. Okay, once you click this, see this. Starting from all the details are given, starting from 21st November, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m., 6 days a week, English batch, everything. You'll get recorded videos over there. You can read all the details over here at your ease. Okay, specially designed for December 2022, two-way interactive classes. So definitely you can avail for this. And importantly, I'll tell you, if the fees, okay, 3599, don't pay this fees also. Although this is very less, but don't pay this also. Click on the view offers. Put the code Y432, Y432. Okay, click on apply. Once you see this, what happens once you click on apply? 3599 reduces to 719. 719. If you clear CAIIB, in how many months will you recover 719? 1 month increment is 1000, isn't it? So in 1 month you have recovered everything. Go for it immediately. Okay. Now, why am I stressing on this December 2022 exam? Means why do I say that clear it immediately this time only? Don't keep it for the next time, because see this. In the next portion, May 23, look at what the portion is. Now you are having only 2 compulsory papers, ABM, BFM. Then you will be having ABM, BFM, ABFM, Advanced Business and Financial Management, and BRBL, Legal, right? So these are the 4 papers compulsory which you will be having. Now you have only 2, then you will be having 4. Also the electives. Look at the electives: Rural, HR, IT and Central Banking and Risk. Is there any retail over there? No. So that's why clear it immediately. Negative marking. There is a negative marking, and also one more which I have not written it over here. There would be subjective questions over here. Subjective. Subjective means what? Now we have to just tick A, B, C, D, right? But in May 23, they are planning to bring some questions which you will have to write it, solve it over there and show them. Okay? So that is also this new part which is coming up. Okay? So go for it immediately. Why to go for the tougher parts, isn't it? Go for it immediately. Tomorrow I'll be back with another series. Till then, bye.